single player. New game. Hell on Earth. Select levels. Hell on Earth. You know what? I'm gonna put Hurt Me Plenty. I'm gonna put Hurt Me Plenty because I'm not a bitch.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, here we go. When I died so much. Okay. Ha, you're about to meet your doom, get fucked, bitch. Okay. Budget ass Bowser. Speaking of the Bowser, though, I did watch the Mario movie and it was pretty pretty good. Pretty darn good. Can I go through here? No. Don't think I can. Can I open it? No. Okay. We'll go this way then. Is it exit? I don't want to leave already, do I? No. Is there anything else I can do? Oh. I mean, I know it's only the starting bit, but surely there's got to be something else. Picked up a stimp pack. What the fuck is a stink pack? We're good. You won't break me. You found a secret area. Secret area? Well, can I, I don't think I can activate it though, can I? No? Secret area. Yeah, let's just move on to the next one. Let's do it. I know we've only just started playing, but who gives a shit? Let's complete that already. Kill those demons, show them who's fucking boss. You ain't even gotta tell me. Okay. Do they have shotguns? They better. No, they don't. It's the people in here who have shotguns, I think. Okay. Give me the shotgun. Give me the shotgun. No one gets hurt. Okay, I'll take a bit of health. Why is he in jail? We do have quite... Actually, no. We want to switch to our shotgun. Because there's fuckers around this corner and they are ruthless. I will grab the ammo. Fuck you. Okay. I don't think there's anyone in there. Is there someone in there? Yeah, there is. Can I not shoot them there? Shoot. Okay. Oh shit. We don't wanna be too excited now. We don't wanna die. Okay. Grab this medkit. Okay. Honey, I'm home. Okay. All of you die, you fucking savages. It's my time to shine. Do you want to collect all of the ammo? So we've got a super shotgun, got a regular shotgun, which we share the same bullets as the super one. Mr. Incredible. Die? Just die? No one asked you to live. These bitches were just camping out. Shit. Okay. We're gonna speedrun. I'm gonna die. Okay. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Scooch past. I need to find a medkit. Where did they all come from? Is my question. Knock knock, bitch. I love all of them screaming at the same time. Give me my fucking shotgun. Run me my goddamn shotgun. Bitches like that, they're so good at sneaking up that I almost die every single time. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save right there. I'm gonna save right there. Just in case we do happen to get fucked up, we're in a good position. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Is that all of them? Jump! So we've got the red key card, which is good. I think... Fuck off, Bowser. Bowser from Wish. This bitch is mad. Leave me alone. Where is he? Where the fuck are you? It was through here. Can I yes, through here. Okay, what did that open up now? Is this open? It probably... I can't go through here, can I? It probably opened up the place. Here. Can't stop me. I will be powerful than all of you combined. I need the blue key card. Piss off. That helped. These little bastards. I need the blue key. Where's the blue key now then? This little bastard. That's the blue. I see it. I see it. Shoot that. Is he dead? He's dead. Grab the blue key. Okay, well, where's the, is this, there was something I could use it on, right? Okay, I guess I just have to go this way then. This, here? Is this it? Yeah? Nice try! Shoot him! Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Is there any way I can... Yes, I'm going to need this med kit. I'm going to need all of this. But just before I leave, I want to see if there's extra health. What I'm going to do is save that, and we will override it. Override. Okay, we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. We're out. 100% kills. 100% items, 0 secrets. 8 minutes, 19 seconds. Not the best, but you know what? Who gives a shit? Who gives a flying fuck? Okay. Okay, so that's where we leave. Okay. Fuck off, Bowser. Bowser needs to calm his tits. That was a close one. I nearly fucked up there. I didn't realise how many there were. Why are they so savage? Give me this. You know what? Don't make me pull it out. Super shotgun. Super shotgun. It takes time to reload though. That's the worst thing about it. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We don't need anything else, right? Okay. Oh, Jesus. Lord and Mary. What have we got? Okay. This is hell. This is the definition of hell. This is how. This is the definition of it. A bunch of wannabe Bowser bastards. I'm pretty sure Bowser came out before these guys, right? Okay, what have we got? Oh, who is he? I'm gonna stay down here because that seems like something that could kill me. I'm dead, honestly. I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but I kind of have nothing. I kind of have no health. Of course I would put myself in this situation, wouldn't I? I'm terrible. Oh, I'm a freak, stupid bastard. As soon as I go up here, can I need to go down, need to go down, need to go down, take me down. Okay, hold on. He's right here, isn't he? To kill him. Is he dead? Please tell me he's dead. I'm scared. I keep getting the red reticle cursor. I keep missing. I don't know where he is. Is he dead? Okay. I fell on top of this world. Give me this. Give me the blue key card. Okay, I'm gonna take all of this, take all the health, go up here, kill this bastard. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself, bitch. Okay, we're good. Okay, we've got the... Kill him. We've got the blue key card. So that would open up a blue gate of some sort, right? You see how sneaky they did that? This game's fucking brilliant, though. I can see why people like this back in the day. Like, the fact that they brought it to Xbox was brilliant. No? I think I need to... Oh, look. I can go on this. I can get more health. This is that one place, isn't it? Yeah, this place. Okay then. So it released all of these, so I've got a bunch of health now. Oh. Oh. Ah. Got it. Come on, let's go up. Up and away, baby. Okay, so we can go back through here. So we can leave now, but do we need to? Ah, I don't give a shit. Let's just leave. Let's get out of here. %100% kills. I took 9 minutes and 37 seconds for that one. Damn. I could have sworn that... I could have sworn like that was a shorter time. Well, we're gonna have to go this one. We only have one option, so let's see what's behind door number 1. A bunch of bullshit. Okay. Because why wouldn't a bunch of bullshit be behind door number 1? You know what? I'm gonna have to bring out the big guns. Open this. Ah, I'm losing a lot of health. I need a blue key to interact. I'm dead. Wait, do I restart this level? Where do I restart from? Oh, thank shit. I thought I was going to restart the entire shit from where I last died. Give me my shotgun. Okay, give me my shotgun bullets. Okay, back over here. I can't believe I lost everything. Fuck you. Oh, I'm nearly dead again. Shit. I can ring around the Rosie. I can't ring around the Rosie. Move. Oh, you stupid little bastard. You know what? I think I'm done, man. They are the assholes. Yep, yeah, I give up. I can't be fucking arsed anymore. I'm done. It's fun. It's just fucking very frustrating from time to time.